How to send gifts on Poppo Live. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send gifts on Poppo Live. In order to do so, first of all, open your Poppo Live application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here tap on this cross button in order to remove this pop-up. Also, you can tap on this cancel button in order to cancel finding streamers near you. Now, from here you will need to enter a live session where you would like to send a gift. Scroll down to find the live, and once you get it, tap on it to open it. You can also start your own live stream if you want. For that, you will need to tap on this live option at the bottom right. Once you enter the live session, here, during the live session, you will be able to see the gift icon at the bottom right. Simply tap on this gift icon, and then here you will need to tap on the gift icon to open the gift menu, and now browse through the available gifts and select the one you'd like to send. Also make sure, in order to send your gift, you will need to first purchase it. After selecting the gift, you will need to confirm your choice. Some gifts might require you to spend in-app currency like coins or gems to send them. Once you have confirmed, now you can tap on the option to send the gift, and then the recipient will see it appear during the live session. After sending your gift, you can continue interacting with the host and other viewers in the chat. So, by following these steps, you should be able to send gifts on Poppo Live. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.